Hello, I'm back after some off-camera unwrapping and organizing my colors, and I actually managed to keep my sisters still wrapped. See, they are different. They are not just, all the same color of like different sparkles. See? You can see sparkles way better when we're at my desk. So I actually managed to pick out actually recognized which one's my sister's, which is a blue sparkle ones. But seriously, if you ask me, the only reason that she liked this one because it's called Tiffany, Tiffany. They are different. They all spark differently in my defense. That's why I actually got 21 minus my sisters. And I don't know what happened exactly because I actually calculated twice, but there are two of them without homes. And so I was trying to squeeze them in, but it doesn't work. And I tried turning it around. I basically tried everything, but I couldn't get it in. So I have to find some tin can to home for this too. My bad. So here are the colors, and let me introduce you to the Pride collection, which is here to here, and we have life, healing, nature, serenity, and spirit. And I'm missing the yellow one, which I will probably get next year if they have it. And then it's the Galaxy series, which we have Cosmic Dust, Moon Dust, Interstellar, Supercluster, Cosmos, Quasar, Phoenix. So it's here to here. And I just have to show this one. It has the perfect pillow top, which means we're not going to swatch it because I need to look at it and be happy about it for a little bit longer until I'm ready. Yes. And then this two would be the Fairy Tale series, which is Tink and Fantasy. I really like Tink. It's actually, I feel like they match. They are perfect for each other. Perfect. Okay. Then we have so the top two right here is Northern Light and Winterberry, and they belong to the Winter Wonderland. And the bottom three, it's the Floral series. We have Golden Rose, Sunset Rose, and Forget Me Not. Okay. Then we have, I really like this one. I think this one is gorgeous. And this one would be the limited edition Dusty Rose. And this one is really pretty. I'm excited to try this one out. It's the Candy Shoppy series. It's the grape gumbo. As a kid, all the candies that I liked are grape flavored. So when I saw this one, I was like, me want it. Yep. So we will swatch this one out. Oh, and the Forget Me Not also have the perfect pillow top, so we will not be touching that one. And the live one, we will not be touching that one. But you can see the swatch here, here, and here. Okay. But we won't be swatching it. Actually, I'm kind of debating about the spirit because it's so pretty. I'm sorry, but it's so pretty. And okay, normally if I don't have to upload my YouTube channel, I will probably put these ones on my bookshelf and walking past by them, be happy for a couple of weeks before I even let water touch them, like nobody touches them. Like, I'm sure you understand how it feels. Yeah. And this is the free one that I got, and the dot cards. I feel like maybe we should just do these ones and leave these ones alone. Just kidding. Okay, let's get moving. Ooh. Oh, and because the magnets are really, I cannot emphasize enough, really strong. So I would definitely say get a tin box to store them, because you do not want them like already pre-soaked and tip over. That would be tragic. Yes. See, I just automatically jumped over life. Sparkle, 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 sparkle. Wow, beautiful. I'm not a huge fan of orange, but when it sparkles, everything's okay. Eee, why is it so pretty? Okay, yeah, I've decided we're leaving spirit out too. I'm sorry. I'll do it when I'm ready. I don't know how other YouTubers do it. It's like, oh, and I took like so many photos because I'm like, oh my god, everything is so pretty. Shimmer, shimmer. Oh wait, are we out of the frame? Sorry, we're out of the frame. Okay, back to business. Personally, every time when I get one of those like pillow top finish, like, I don't know, it just looks extra good. Oh, I didn't. I should have put them in their categories. But this is just a quick swatch. I'll do a proper one and then place it and put it in my Instagram, and you can go check it out. And if you see any color that you like, just place an order with Sprout Creative Watercolor. I'm excited to try this one. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh, and the whole goal about supporting small business, I forgot that it's also very essential to support local business. So I've ordered a couple from Canada. Yeah, so we will be seeing some Canadian made watercolors soon if they ever arrives, because I don't know where they are right now. I'm actually a bit frustrated about the whole like shipping system. I don't know if they are actually not moving, or just the status is not updated, because it's been at the same place for like weeks now. So we will see. When it comes, it will come, and I will show you guys. I'm just admiring all these pretties. Oh, and I cannot believe I'm almost like finished with this particular sketchbook, and I will have to buy the same one. Actually, I will probably buy 10 of them because I really like them. They are just like so perfect for hand lettering and watercolor pieces. Pillow top, not touching pillow top. Okay. Next. Okay, like for other people, they will probably think I'm an idiot, but I'm sure you guys understand, like, you know, not being able to swatch the pretty colors right away. Dun, dun, dun. And I will have to upload this one a little bit later, because it's just a lot of technical difficulties with the whole YouTube business with me. I'm just okay. It's too thin for me to hold it. Let's put it on the table. I'm not sure if this one is part of the candy series. Da, da. How do you like the oh, thank you for supporting this small business. And that's their website. Ooh. Okay. Da, da. Wow, really pretty. Well, I think this is one of the matte color, and it happened to be one of my favorites. Feeling very lucky. And oh, I'm looking forward to try this one. Let's get a good amount of it so we can see it. Ooh, magical. It's like perfect for a like space piece. Okay, and we still have couple of minutes, and that's put on the shimmer show. Look at that. Okay, this one is not supposed to shimmer, so it doesn't shimmer. And this one is not supposed to shimmer. But look at I think this one I can see sparkles on it, but it doesn't really shimmer either. But look at the rest. What would you paint with these colors. Princess, fairies, mermaids. Oh my god, I have like so many, like maybe flowers. A magical flower feel or something. And practice some hand lettering. But actually I think this one's like, I think they will work perfect for my normal piece too. Is that too much shimmer? Alright. I'm going to stop moving around. Okay. So, thank you for watching me swatch these babes out. And I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do the pillow top ones because it's just too hard for me. Please understand. And follow me Instagram, both accounts if you like, and then let's be friends. And you know, that's watercolor and live happily ever after. Thank you. Bye bye.